welcome back to my page. Today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. First I'm going to start by prepping my face with my rose water. And then I'm just going to press that into my skin with my fingers. Then next, with an angled pomade brush for my eyebrows, I'm going to dip into my dark brown pomade and start to outline my brows, starting at the top of my brows. Then I'm going to move on to the bottom of my brows, outlining as neat as possible to save me time, concealer, and it'll just look a lot neater. And then with the residual pomade that's on my brush, I'm going to fill in my brows. So afterwards, this is what they look like. Then moving on to the next step, I'm going to go in with a black eyebrow pencil, and then from the arch outward to the tail of my eyebrows, I'm going to fill it in with the black, and this just gives it a more defined and sharper look. And with an angled concealer brush, I'm going to start applying the concealer to the bottom of my eyebrows. The bottom of your brows, you want to use a concealer shade that is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than your complexion to really define your brows. How they should look after you conceal. Okay, now I'm going to be using a flat rounded concealer brush to conceal the top of my brows, and I'm using a concealer color at the top of my brows that is close to my complexion. Okay, starting to look good. Next, I'll be using a blending brush to blend out the bottom concealer, and I'll be using downward stroke motions to pull the foundation downwards and not smear it. You want to stroke downwards. Okay, now using a concealer color that's about 5 times lighter than my first concealer color, I'm going to start going underneath the arch of my brows out towards the tail, and this is going to heighten your brow bone and just give you that finished tailored look that your brows need. Blend that out in the same downward stroke motion. Okay, this is what we should look like at this point. Now I'm going to be going in with a dry beauty blender and blending out the concealer from the top of our brows to the bottom. And this ensures that this makeup look will look great whether you use foundation or not. last step, I'll be going in with my CoverGirl True Professional Loose Powder in the color Honey, and I'm going to set the concealer on the bottom of my brows. Lastly, we'll be using a spoolie to blend and just smooth out our brows. And after this, we're all set. The brows are perfect and we're ready to go. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow this page. Enjoy!